What's up? What's up? What's up? Hey, welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Muffin, and today we're going to be doing a quick weave wig. This is a 4-piece, $24.99 pack of hair. It is synthetic. It comes with a lace closure with non-bleached roots.
Yeah, you see all these other imitators. Don't let the only real one intimidate ya. See you watching, don't run out of time now.
So as you can see, I've put a shower cap and a wig cap on. I doubled up and I sprayed it with some pump it up spray, and that's why you just see me blow dry it. As you can see now, I am now measuring out my lengths and slapping it on the bottom of the cap. And that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing for the next couple of minutes. So I'll be back to explain further details when things start to switch up.
I'm the one that hit that same spot. She the one that bring the range out. We go back, remember, crisscross and hopscotch. You the one that hold me down when the block's hot. I make your dreams come true when you wake up, and your looks just the same without no makeup. Had to pull up on your mama, see what you made of. Ain't got no worry about my colors, cause my makeup. You can't run inside my life from that fame buzz, cause I promise when we step out you'll be famous. Modern day Bonnie and Clyde, what they named us. Cause when we pull up, all angels, all angels. Yeah, looking at the truth, the money never lie. No, I'm the one, yeah, I'm the one. Early morning in the dawn, know you wanna ride now. I'm the one, yeah.
Okay, so now that I have installed that first bundle, I'm going to pretty much position my closure on before I actually glue it onto the cap, just to see how it's going to be. I was really debating on making a side part or a middle part, but we're just going to stick to a middle part. I thought that that was the most natural looking part with this closure, seeing that we don't have many other options.
I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one, yeah. Yeah, you see all these other imitators. Don't let the only real one intimidate ya. See you watching, don't run out of time now. Oh, 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 oh,
So now I am just blow drying and making sure that that is secure so I can finish gluing on the rest of the tracks. Also, let me tell y'all something I totally forgot. Oh, I used the 30-second quick weave glue or weaving glue or whatever it is, bonding glue, whatever you want to call it. That's what I used. And then also, for the next part of this video, y'all are gonna see me move back and forth. I tried to edit it out as much as possible, but I'm gonna be moving a lot because I'm just trying to make sure that my son isn't about to fall off the bed over there playing and stuff. So I'm just like going back and forth checking on him and stuff. So I just want y'all to know that. So now I'm working with the second bundle. I only used 2 bundles out of the 3. because I didn't want it to be that full, just because I'm planning on cutting it, and I know this is synthetic hair. I don't want it to have that bulky look.
I'm the one, yeah.
Now I'm just filling up the spaces in between the closure and the rest of the hair. And I do apologize for all the ruckus in the back of my voiceovers. My son is going in with any and everything that he could find right now. And this is probably like the only time I'm going to get to really do these voiceovers, because I've had this video for over a couple of days now. So I'm trying to edit it and get it up there. Okay. Okay, and here is my son Eli. He is 8 months actually in this video. He's actually 10 months. He'll be a year in December, on December 10th. This is a late upload. But yeah, so I'm gonna be doing some future videos about mother, son, pregnancy, postpartum, and my 3 trimesters of pregnancy experience. All that kind of stuff. So ladies, if you want to stay tuned and get into it with me about my personal cootie cat stories, I will tell you all about them, my birthing story, all that good stuff. So that is my mission. All right, now I'm back. I finished my wig. Basically right now I'm about to blow dry it and make sure that the inside is completely dry, that there's no wet or damp glue. And then I'm going to put it on, and in the next video I will style and cut it, and y'all will see me slay it on a regular day. Okay, I don't know where that came from, but that's what I'm gonna say. But anyway, yeah, so as you can see, I'm gonna try different positions with it, see if I like it. I'm gonna stick with the middle part.
Cause I promise when we step out you'll be famous. Modern day Bonnie and Clyde, what they named us. Cause when we pull up, all angles.
Okay, so I was trying the side part, but it's just a little bit too precise, and the part is just a little too deep for me. But this is pretty much the final look before I cut it and style it. But thanks you guys for watching. I hope you guys stay tuned for the next video. Please rate, subscribe, and like. And I will see you guys in the next video. Toodaloo. Love you, motherfuckers.